Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action from the weekly time frame to 30 minutes time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels, all the time frames. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, July 18th. At 7 AM we have high impact news plan for Australian dollar related currency pairs, and from 6 PM we have high impacting news for Canadian dollar related currency pairs, and again at 6 PM we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs, and from 6:45 PM we have medium impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatility in gold for today. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. So I am in weekly time frame now, and when we look at the current trend of the price action in weekly time frame, from the support level of 1617 we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bullish trend. You can clearly notice that it is trading within a bullish channel pattern, and currently we have noticed a price action to retrace to the level of 1896, and it is bouncing back on the bullish side retracement in weekly time frame. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in weekly time frame. So for the weekly time frame, the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend. The price has to break this support level of 1896 in order to make a bearish side trend reversal in weekly time frame. And here when we notice a price action, this level of 1961 is acting as a very strong resistance level. In the past also we have noticed a price action to test this resistance level and then to fall on the bearish side retracement, and here also we have noticed a price action to test this support level and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So this level is going to be acting as a very strong support and resistance level in weekly time frame and also in the lower time frame. We can notice that today's candle has opened to the body closing level of the previous candle. Let us wait and see if the next candle closes above this resistance level of 1961 in order to get the confirmation on the bullish trend continuation. And when we look at the price action in daily time frame, this line had acted as a resistance line in the past price action, and again we have noticed the price action to take support on the previous trend line or the support line, and currently the price action has bounced back or found resistance at this resistance line, and the price is trading below this resistance line. So for the daily time frame, this resistance line is acting as a very strong resistance. So the price action has to break this resistance line in order to give the confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal to continue in daily time frame. And also this level of 1961 from the weekly time frame is also acting as a very strong resistance. And also when we draw a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action, it is again trading below this trend line or the resistance line. And if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance level of 1961, we can expect it to bounce back to take support on the weekly time frame trend line or the support line. And as long as the price action is trading above this support line from the weekly time frame, we can expect the price action to again bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So in the daily time frame also, the bullish side trend reversal has not started since it is trading below this red color trend line or the resistance line on the bearish trend. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame, and when we notice the price action in 4 hours time frame, it has formed a double bottom pattern or took support on the weekly time frame trend line or the support line, and we have noticed the price action to retrace to the level where it started its bearish side retracement. And since it has completed its double bottom pattern, we can expect the price action to make a bearish side retracement. So we can expect the price action to be trading within these ranges for today's also. So currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1949 or 1950 and resistance level of 1964. Wait for the price action to give a direction breakout from this resistance level of 1964 on the bullish side, and next level of target is going to be around 1963, and it will also be giving breakout from this resistance line from the daily time frame and also the bearish trend line from the daily time frame, which will give the confirmation on the bullish trend continuation in 4 hours time frame also. And if the price action fails to break this resistance level of 1964 on the bullish side, wait for the price action to break the current support level of 1949, based on which you can freshly enter on the bearish side trade, and next level of support is going to be around 1939, 1928, 1915 and 1895. And again this zone between 1939 to 1928 will be acting as a very strong support zone for the future price action, because this level had acted as a neck level for the double bottom pattern, and also we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this resistance zone in the past. So if the price action retraces, we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement from this demand zone. Let us look at the price action for hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and for the hourly time frame I am drawing a trend line or a support line in order to understand the current trend of the price action. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line from the hourly time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. And I am also noticing the price action to form a bullish flag and pole pattern. So wait for the price action to give a breakout from this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern from the hourly time frame in order to freshly enter on the bullish trend. The bullish flag and pole pattern confirms that continuation of the bullish trend in hourly time frame. But if the price action gives a breakout on the bearish side, then this bullish flag and pole pattern will become invalid. It will be valid only when it gives a breakout on the bullish side. The support and resistance levels are similar to the 4 hours time frame levels also, and the price action is trading between a very strong support zone and the resistance zone. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. As explained in the hourly time frame, currently the price action is trading between a bearish channel pattern and it is in a bearish side retracement in 30 minutes time frame also. So for the 30 minutes time frame, wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side from this bearish channel pattern in order to decide on the trend for the 30 minutes time frame. Again we have, and currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1956 and support level of 1952. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1956 and the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, next level of resistance is going to be the trend line or resistance line from the daily time frame and the resistance line from the daily time frame also. Once the price action, all these resistance zones, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. These are all the higher time frame resistance zone. Wait for the price action to give a proper breakout from this resistance zone in order to get the confirmation on the bullish trend continuation in 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action fails to break this resistance line, the immediate support is going to be around 1952. Once this support level is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1948, 1945, 1939 and 1933. We have a very strong support zone on the bearish side also, which is going to be around 1939 to 1933 for the 30 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.